Okay, so it is the start of day 4. This is our first proper day in Utah. Yesterday we got to the Utah sign just before the sun fully went down. Then we had about another hour drive to where we are now, which is the Portals RV Park. Yesterday could have gone better. I think that's safe to say. The first issue was the road closure. That added literally hours of driving time to our destination. So yesterday was pretty much just purely driving. We did get to go through the mountains. That was really cool. We got to go through Aspen, although because of a broken wing mirror, we didn't really fully get to take in Aspen. We also left a GoPro behind on a beach for like 2 hours, and we got a parking ticket. So all in all, not the best of days, but I think the plan for today is to go to the Arches National Park, and then we have essentially, I think it's about a 5-hour drive over to Zion. But luckily, when we get to Zion, we have 2 days there without driving, so that is going to be good, because so far it's been nothing but driving basically. Hello again. We have the pass.
Where are you guys from?
The UK.
Okay, cool. Do you guys have football teams or football teams?
Football teams?
I mean, I don't really watch football, but
It is a bit.
Yeah, down south, so Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. I like Brighton.
Oh,
yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I just need one of you guys to put the number in here.
Yeah, short card, isn't it?
Awesome. And you guys ready to go? Have a good one, guys.
Perfect.
thank you so much, mate.
The first national park. This is Arches National Park. Garden of the Gods wasn't really a national park, so this is our first legit national park.
Hello everyone. Rare agent update. We are in Arches National Park. Ollie and Joe behind me. Ollie is getting water. Joe is getting some more appropriate footwear. What we thought was going to be a 20-minute hike has now turned into a 3-hour round trip. We weren't expecting that, but it's what it is. You know, we were saying to ourselves, like, if we come all the way to America, we haven't done at least one mildly challenging hike, then there's something just wouldn't be right about that. So we're going to go for it. Yeah, Ollie's getting some water because I feel like we're going to need it. Not sure what the temperature is at the moment. Watch isn't working, but judging by the burning of my skin, it's probably around 31, 32 degrees Celsius. We're about to head on our trip. We'll update you probably along the way, but if not, then I'm sure we'll do another video after our 3-hour trip. I'm sure we'll look a lot different, but yeah, looking forward to it.
Okay, for the first time ever on this trip, I'm actually wearing proper footwear. I've literally worn Crocs for this entire trip, on the plane, while driving. All the walking we've done so far has been with Crocs. You can probably see the RV there in the distance. We're already a little bit out of breath. Don't know if we're equipped. Are we equipped?
Absolutely not.
We have
Midday.
we have water and sunscreen.
Yeah, we've got a 3-hour hike in midday sun, only to finish and have a 5-hour drive with no stop and no shower, only to go sit in a restaurant after that drive for another hour. So we finally arrive at our Zion River Resort. Well, I'm hoping there is
A shower.
a shower and a pool.
pretty rough. I'm very glad we did it, but you look like a mess.
I feel it.
In like prime July Utah heat, hiking 3 miles. I mean, there are probably going to be people that do this like every day, and a 2.5 mile hike to them is just nothing, but that was pretty difficult. It was worth it. We're very glad we did it, but at the moment I think we just want to get barbecue food.
Yeah.
And we've got to fill up again, probably another $100, and then we've got a 4-hour drive over to Zion, so straight across Utah. We'll probably stop at a couple places if we see them on the way, but other than that, it's just going to be a straight shot over to Zion. Round 3 of filling up this beast. We're going for $100 this time. Let's go regular. There we go. And it's away. We're all up to 100. Let's see how much it gets us. And that is $100 again in the tank. Almost 28 litres, not litres, gallons. I gotta get used to saying that. So that in 48 hours is $280 worth of fuel in this tank. This thing absolutely drinks fuel, and it's starting to kind of hurt our wallets a little bit. All right, we have made it. We've found a barbecue place. We've got the brisket, we've got the ribs, got these hush puppy things, fries, mac and cheese, and a root beer float. I had to get one of these. This is going to be good. Hello everyone, it is day 5, I believe. This is our first proper day in Zion, and we are currently en route to go have a ride on some UTVs, which are going to take us through sort of Zion, and then we're going to finish off at the Narrows, which is going to be pretty cool. I think the only other things we have to do today is sort of some chore type stuff, like we have to fix the wind mirror, we have to like empty the black water and different things like that. So we might find time for that later on today, considering we don't have to drive anywhere, but we'll see how it goes.
So cool. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, is that alive? No. There's a beetle.
It looks very dead. Wow.
Okay, come all the way through here, Ollie. Lay back.
Lay back.
Let your GoPro see that corner.
Whoa.
Okay, so as long as we're past the tunnel, we're fine. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye, you too. See ya.
So this hike that we're going to do is easy. It is just like 39 degrees and we've all put on about an inch worth of sun cream and we're all debating whether we shouldn't do it.
It's a 45-minute round trip, easiest hike in the park. We're currently in the seed RV, debating whether we should do it or not.
Following our hike through the canyons, we started driving away from Zion when we were greeted by this absolutely stunning Utah sunset, which we took in for a while. And after some more barbecue, we were driving back to the RV park for the night when we saw something which was a first for all of us, and that was a wildfire which was apparently under control.